Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and I'm so glad to have you here today. Today I'm going to be doing a vlog of my work day. I did kind of like a little thing in the morning. I've already filmed a morning routine, so I didn't really go into depth. That video is actually on my channel right now. I wanted to do a vlog today of going to my studio and cleaning like before and after what I do because of like the COVID restrictions and everything like that. I mean, with estheticians and spas, we already have to clean so much, just like that's just part of like standard procedures. But with COVID, we just make sure it's a little more clean. And then after work, I think I end work at like 3. Might go to the gym, and then I also got to think about what I want to eat for dinner. So I might have to go to the grocery store because the way I buy my food is kind of more so like I pick out a dinner that I want to eat and then I buy the groceries that go with the dinner instead of buying like huge grocery hauls because I kind of waste food that way. But anyways, that's later. It is 10:05 right now and I have to leave at 10:30, so I'm just gonna finish getting ready and then I'll see you guys in the car. Before I went to the car, I forgot I wanted to show you guys what I was wearing today. I'm wearing this sweater from American Eagle. I love it and I love the sleeves. And then I'm wearing actually my Buff Bunny leggings. I wear leggings to work honestly because I have to sit on a chair and do facials, so it's just easier and it doesn't like push into my stomach, and I mean I'm in the dark, they don't really see me that much. And then I have on these gold hoops that I got from my roommate, which are so beautiful. I love them. And then I have my Steve Madden white gym shoes. I would be wearing my rings today, but when I do facials, it just like gets in the way anyways, so there's no point putting them on. Now I will see you in the car. Okay, I'm in my car. It's just as cold as I suspected it to be. Welcome to Chicago. It's 31 degrees outside right now. I'm like trying to warm up my car. Got my seat warmers. So it's 10:30 right now and I'm just gonna drive over to my studio. I'm at a stoplight right now, which is like the longest stoplight I have ever had to wait at. It's the one like right by my apartment complex. But I have you guys rested like on this thing that I have for my car and it actually works pretty well. I think I'm surprised. So maybe I can record more in the car than I thought. I was afraid that like it was gonna be like filming under me, which it still kind of is, but not as bad as I kind of thought. The one I got from Old Navy. I love this one. Wait, hold on. All right, let's go. By the way, guys, the only reason why I have my mask off is because I am the only one here right now. Nobody else is here. And because I have like a little salon suite room, I'm in here by myself. So like really, there's like no need right now to have it on. But the second my client comes in, trust me, I put it on. It's now 11:09. I'm just waiting. Okay, so now my face is like all red. I finished my, let me put you guys there. I finished my first client of the day and now I'm just waiting for my 1 o'clock. It's 12:24 right now. I just need to change this and put a new one fresh for my 1 o'clock. So let me do that right now. so off. I am done for the day. Let me just clean up a little bit, and then I think I'm going to run to Trader Joe's because it's really close to like around here. It's like 5 minutes from my salon, so I think I'm gonna do that. But first, let me. Guys, it is now 2 o'clock. It's a pretty short day, which is good. It's because all my clients were all like back to back. Like the best days because then I don't have to like sit around and wait for my clients to come. I kind of just want to like look around at Trader Joe's. I don't know if I really need anything, but you know, that's what they all say. See you guys at Trader Joe's. Careful. Okay, as you guys saw, I went to Trader Joe's. I'll show you guys what I got. So I got pita chips, which those are just such a good snack. The sourdough bread. I've never actually tried this, but I thought maybe it would be good with my eggs. This focaccia bread is so good. I'm gonna eat this. Now, for lunch, I have these green chili burritos, which if you guys have not had these are so good too, and they're so easy and quick. These I know are not healthy like at all. They're the mac and cheese bites. These are good. I got gluten-free, guilt-free mac and cheese as like a quick lunch. More of this garlic salt that I get from Trader Joe's. It's really good. And then I wanted to try this everyday seasoning. It says it has sea salt, mustard seeds, black peppercorn, coriander, onion, garlic, paprika, and chili powder. I don't know. It sounded good. So I'll try those because I literally went through a whole one of these because this is good seasoning. This is good. Okay, this is what I'm actually gonna eat for lunch today. These stuffed gnocchi with tomato sauce and mozzarella. That sounds so good. And then I forgot I got this chicken sausage just right now because I'm starving. I'm so hungry. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go to the gym. As much as I would love to just not go to the gym and just lay in bed, I know that I have to go and I'm not going to regret it. I just definitely need to drink some pre-workout first and then I'll be off to the gym. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm just gonna go upstairs and make some dinner and then I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the night. If you guys liked this video and want to see more videos like this one or more business content videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and I'll be back with more videos. Bye guys!